A mysterious global humming sound has scientists baffled, heard in remote forests and bustling cities alike. Its origin remains unknown. This low-frequency hum, often described as a persistent drone, has been reported by people across continents, from the depths of the ocean to the heights of the Himalayas. Researchers have ruled out obvious sources like industrial noise or natural phenomena, leaving a puzzle that spans the entire globe. Some speculate it could be linked to geological activity, while others suggest it's a result of undiscovered atmospheric phenomena. Despite advanced technology and countless studies, the source of this enigmatic hum continues to elude experts, fueling both scientific inquiry and wild theories.